Today I will explain you how you can map a polyline with Lens Survey app for Android Apglos Survey Wizard. With this Lens Survey app you can map many different kind of objects. You can map points, lines and arcs, but you can also map polylines. For everyone that does not know yet what a polyline is, I will give here a short explanation. A polyline is often used in drafting software. AutoCAD and Microstation are two known drafting software packages. Originally, Raymond and me are civil engineers, so yes, we had to deal with this drafting software. And so we also had to deal with polylines. But polylines are a good thing from this drafting software. They can be very handy. But let's tell you what a polyline is first. A polyline is an object that exists of multiple line segments. So where you would normally have like 3 or more different lines, in this drafting software it can be one object. And since it's one object, it is easier to change it. You can think of offsetting or extending the object. So the polyline element is often used by technical drafters. And in a way you can see land surveying or mapping a bit like drafting the current situation. That is why mapping polylines is integrated in Lens Survey app for Android Apglos Survey Wizard. When you will start using polylines in Apglos Survey Wizard, then you will notice that land surveying will get more easy and you will be able to map terrains more quickly. But how you map a polyline in this Lens Survey app? That's a very good question. To start mapping a polyline, you have to have mapped and selected a point or a line first. In one of the previous videos in this series of videos about the Lens Survey app for Android Apglos Survey Wizard, I explained you how to map a point. If you don't know how to do that, then it is a wise thing to check out that video. After mapping a point, it will be automatically selected. You can see that the point is selected when there is an orange cross shown in the point. In some other video I explained how to map a line. When a line is selected, you will notice that it gets orange and that it is shown thicker. Besides that, you will see a different icon on the start point. The icon consists from left to right of a vertical line and an arrow. And in the end point of the line some other icon is shown. There you will see an icon that shows from left to the right, an arrow and then a line. This is important to know because when you start mapping a polyline, a new line segment will be added from the endpoint of the line. But after selecting a point or a line, what you need to do to map a polyline in this Lens Survey app for Android? Of course, you need to go to the next point of the object. There you click on the polyline button. A new point will be added on the map. And you see that a line segment is added to the selected object. The extended polyline is now selected. That means you can walk to the next point of the object. And when you are there, you can click on the polyline button again. And this process you can continue till you are at the end of the object. Isn't it easy to map a polyline in Lens Survey app for Android Apglos Survey Wizard? If you agree, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to know more about Apglos Survey Wizard, then it is wise to subscribe. I will add more videos about Apglos Survey Wizard on this YouTube channel. Of course, you use mapping polylines when you map your property. So if you want to know how you map your property size, then check out this video next to me. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Apglos Survey Wizard.